Well, today is June 7th, 2007. I have the SPC webpage up on my computer, and I'll zoom in on Wisconsin here. There is a high risk of severe weather for today. I don't think I can ever recall Wisconsin being under a high risk. The last outlook that I checked yesterday, there was only moderate risk, but this will be interesting to see how things develop today. Well, here it is, 1 p.m. now. The situation hasn't changed too much from 12 hours ago. Still a high risk. The Weather Service website here for Green Bay. I'll switch over to La Crosse. You can see there's a lot going on. The networks are all on top of this. If I go through the Green Bay channels, Little House on the Prairie, everybody's earning crawls or something to the effect. Channel 2 was.
As the National Weather Service has just issued a tornado watch, that is a watch for our area from now until midnight. Quite a window of opportunity, to use that term. The tornado watch for the lakeshore area would include Brown, Door, Kewaunee, Outagamie, Calumet, Winnebago, and Manitowoc counties. This, of course, means that there would be a possibility of tornadoes forming in the area as this storm system moves through late this afternoon and tonight. But right now it is just a tornado watch. It involves 7 area counties, including Manitowoc County, until midnight.
Okay, it's 10 to 3. The Weather Service has just issued tornado watch for my area, which is right here, and the monkey ear has been added to it. This is a particularly dangerous situation. So, 25 years of PBS watches. This is the first one ever for this region in the state, at least that I know of.
All right, let me take you to Viper right now, and you're looking at the northern portion of our viewing area. We're going to take you up here into Langlade, the Langlade area, where we are under a tornado warning. And as a matter of fact, there is, we've just heard here near White Lake, right back in here, this complex of storms, there's an actual tornado on the ground near Mountain right now, which is right here, right in the center of your screen. We've got a tornado on the ground near Mountain at 32 and Island Lake Road. 32 and Island Lake Road, a tornado on the ground. You can see the indicator there on Viper. For those of you there in that whole area, just get to shelter right now. Forget taking pictures. Get to somewhere safe, as you are not only under a tornado warning, but there is a tornado on the ground. We've had several confirmations just in the last several minutes from both fire department and rescue as well, of a tornado which was about 3 miles south of Langlade. They're in Langlade also. So if you're near Mountain, this is the real deal right here. Also, there's quite a bit of hail just to the west near Lakewood, actually, and this could be some pretty significant hail. We'll take a sampling, maybe 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches in diameter there. The future scan will go ahead and give you an idea how this is going to move. Now, remember, once again, that this is a confirmed tornado on the ground near Mountain, and that's at 32 and Island Lake Road. This is at, we're looking now at about 8 minutes past the hour. That continues to move northwards. It will move northeastward, I should say, into Athelstane about 5:23. About 5:23. There it is in Amberg at 5:29. The storm will continue to move toward the north and east at Beecher just about 5:35, and from there it's going to just quickly move off just south of Pembine, rather, into Menominee County in the UP, very near Powers and Kearney at about 5:51. Now there's a tornado warning in effect. Let me zoom back out of here again, get you the latest. We've got a tornado warning now, and here it is for Marinette County. That's until 6 o'clock, Marinette County, as law enforcement is reporting a tornado 25 miles. That is near Mountain, and that's right here, as we were telling you. It's moving, get this, east at 60 miles per hour. At 60 miles per hour. Cauldron Falls Reservoir and High Falls Reservoir by about 5:20. And Athelstane by 5:30, Amberg at 5:35. Those are some estimated times of arrival there in that area. In addition to the tornado, this storm, as I mentioned, is capable of some pretty destructive hail. We've already seen some confirmation, as well as samplings on Viper, of 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches in diameter hail also. Now, here's this is what we've got for you at 5:08. At Island Lake Road and Highway 32, we had the tornado on the ground near Highway 64. This was reported by law enforcement. And again, this is Island Lake Road and Highway 32. This is on the ground near Highway 64, and this would be very near Avalanche. We want to make sure that if you're in Mountain and Oconto, that you're up to speed on this. We've got some confirmation here now on these thunderstorms, and this cluster right here that you see.
Langlade, in Langlade County. So once again, several reports of tornadoes on the ground with this particular line of severe thunderstorms. All right, let's kind of recap what's going on across the entire area. Tornado warnings up for northern Oconto County and also Marinette County. We're looking at that tornado warning for Marinette County up until 6 o'clock as the storm transitions here from Oconto County into Marinette County and eventually possibly Menominee County, Michigan. And we've got a brand new tornado warning that has just been issued for Shawano County. Of course, it looks like that is the storm we were talking about earlier that did not have any warnings on it. Of course, we mentioned it looked like it had a little bit of a hook echo on it, and now it appears that that storm is now producing a tornado. We're waiting for the latest information to print out here from the National Weather Service, but we are looking at tornado warnings for Shawano County, also up into Oconto County and Marinette County, and looks like we're going to be here for quite a while this evening. You can count on us here on NBC 26. We will stay on the air live until the threat for the tornado has passed. So if you take a look at this supercell thunderstorm here, there's Shawano right there. Now I'll go back over to the other side of the screen here. There you go, right there. Possible hook echo here. Looks like another little bit of a notch here as well. This is a very strong thunderstorm. We haven't had the exact printout come out yet, right, Steve? Okay. It's about 13 miles southwest of Slide Rock. Oh, Split Rock. Split Rock. Okay, about just north of Wapaka County here. We are looking at, once again, the potential for a tornado with this particular thunderstorm here moving across western and central Shawano County. This storm, once again, moving to the north and east very quickly. I'm going to ask meteorologist Steve Brown to go ahead and zoom in here. Outside Shawano, we have a reporter. It's Drew, and he's going to continue our live team coverage of what's going on in Shawano County. Drew?
Call it the calm before the storm. Now, according to storm chasers, this storm is moving right toward me. You wouldn't really know it. There's really no sign of any wind, precipitation, or anything like that. But that is all going to change in a matter of even minutes here. The storm moving about 55 miles an hour, north and east. You know, the skies here are starting to clear up, but still the tornado warning is coming through. It is in effect. It is supposed to hit right here in Shawano County in the north and the west, so we'll keep a lookout on that for you. Drew Caritas, 26 News, live in Shawano County.